Hi guys, my name is Heather Harmon. And I'm trying to decide what I should play. This is so fun doing this. I don't know why. Today I'm going to play... What should I play? Let's play a game called pouler. I haven't played this game in a while. I forgot what you have to do. So, let's get straight into it. This thing dies easily, trust me.
Time for me to go now. I had a great time. See you again sometime.
Alright. Who's next?
Hey there. Nice to meet ya.
That was the same person.
You want to upgrade something? Plenty to do around here. Oh, great idea.
Alright, so he's gonna sleep. That's adorable.
Oh boy. Ooh, I love this game.
Alright. Let's do this. Get the bones. There we go.
This way.
That way. He said that at the same time. This way. That way. We can do this. Ah! Ah!
Awesome.
We can do this. Wow.
Oh yeah, that was awesome.
Oh,
Let's
I
give it another
swiped
go.
up. Fine.
Oh yeah. That's it. Keep going.
Here, Peeky Pie. You don't get all the bones, but you still have
Yeah,
some.
that was cool. Oh boy, nice jump.
Yeah, I like jumping for fun.
This
Ah!
way, come on. This
Alright,
way.
no more jumping. Just straight ahead.
Yeah, that was cool.
Woo! It's a golden
Boy,
one.
nice jump.
Why are we going so
Oh,
fast? Yeah, forget the
That's
bones.
it. Keep going. This way, come on. Awesome.
Oh, I said to
Boy,
jump.
that was fun. Let's try that again.
Yeah, maybe later. I'll be right back. I'll play a different game. So I'm going to be playing Worldcraft instead. Let's play a multiplayer. I really like multiplayer. Let's go to Steamtown. So many ads. Get off my screen. Go. Shoo. Go! Are you kidding me? There. I had to press the back button. Alright. So, when it's done loading, I will be in an unusual world. Oh yeah, that's right, I'm Mario Girl. Hey, wait. I'm Mario like you. There you go. I opened the door for you. Ow. Let me down. Wait. Let's find another Mario. Not you, you're ugly. I'm sorry. You should just change your skin. Hey, 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 you. Hey, hey. I'm tapping on your shoulder. Hey, I'm inside of you. Hey. What in the world? Hey, someone accept to be my friend. Hey, you. Wait, what? My name is Century because I messed up one on my name. I didn't know what it meant. Sad. Jade, I think? I hate Iron Man. It's the stupidest movie. I'm sorry. No offense if you love Iron Man. I am so sorry, but I don't like Iron Man. Yeah. What in the world? I'm going in. Really? How'd she just walk through the door? Pumpkin will never be yours. I'm in. Hi. I'm gonna press hi. Hey. Hi. Okay. I don't know what that camera button does, so I tried pressing it. Let me know in the comments if you know what that camera does. I'm going to see how long I've been recording. For 8 minutes. That seems like a long time. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.